In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Apple TV Plus application. First, make sure that your device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and simply tap on your Wi-Fi to turn it on. Make sure it's connected to a secure network, and by doing so, you shouldn't be having any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you are having any problems regarding your logins, simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone storage and you want to scroll down from here and navigate yourself to the Apple TV application. Click on Show All, scroll down, and here is our Apple TV application. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again. Click on Reinstall App. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its data and documents. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your logins. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.